The Faculty Fellows Program, it's been a really fun experience. I've really enjoyed being able to have a little bit of time to work on sort of creating something new, something that's unique. It's an interdisciplinary class idea that I've had.
I love to hear other people from all other disciplines share their work. We hardly ever do that. I mean, we do it in different forums here on campus, but this was a really very nice group.
It's been a fun and interesting experience. I've had the opportunity to meet a lot of really interesting faculty that are doing really cool stuff.
This has given me the opportunity to actually prototype my idea, to execute my idea, to express my idea. And through that idea, I can now test that idea. And that only happened through the Faculty Fellow Program. I really thank Design Hub for giving me that opportunity.
Revamp this East Asian art class and then to help use this class to allow students to see how a knowledge of East Asian culture can foster a better creative way of thinking about contemporary conflicts.
So my initial proposal was to look at the curricular structure of several of the design innovation courses, but primarily Introduction to Design Innovation, and to make recommendations on how it potentially could fulfill the Kent Core requirement.
I'm a photojournalism instructor, and with the development of AI, I was really concerned about how that would start to impact newsworthiness of images and our ability to verify them. Since my time at fellowship, I've worked with one of my students to develop a project for the Blank Lab on chimney swifts. So it's kind of been utilizing a lot of the great resources here and had a great time with that. And recently started a series of AI workshops.
So the basic idea was, how do we create a more dynamic simulation-based environment for law enforcement training? And like I said, that was one of several ideas, and that's the one I ended up pursuing just because it was the most interesting to me and connected the best with some of the other things I have going on.
This program has been a lifesaver in terms of allowing me as a professor time to work with and ask questions of and see what other professors are doing.
So through the whole process of the collaborating, talking workshop, so I began to kind of widen my view and then learn more about, other fields just besides biology.
Faculty fellowship was like, there are many things that are possible that I thought were impossible. And it's not just the equipment that DI has. I have tried those, and there are things that I wouldn't have ever tried. But also this has shifted my mindset into thinking, okay, there is a way to do it, even though I don't see the way, there exists a way. I just have to find the right people.
We have so many innovation specializations, so many experts, so many people are passionate about what they do. And it would be great to actually capitalize on all of that passion.
It's wonderful working with my colleagues from art history, as well as others across campus. Since everybody that went through this process had a project that had to go through some kind of modification or adjustment until this point, so that it gets into the head of people thinking and problem solving.
I think this DI fellowship gives us the opportunity to create relationships with faculty coming from different backgrounds, and this is the heart of interdisciplinary research for Kent State. And I think that is very important that we come out of these silos, conduct these interdisciplinary research, and do our bit in contributing towards the urban status of Kent State.